GlamDollz. I'm here today to share with you all some fabulous goodies I scored from my local Dollar Tree. But I know you GlamDollz is like, why is MGA doing a voiceover? I have a toothache in this video, and let me tell y'all, I do not wish it was just too much. But wait, it wasn't going to stop me from sharing what fabulous goodies that I did find. So I'm jumping right on into this. First thing about the bag is going to be this pack of headbands. They super thin. They come 3 to a pack, and one is gold, silver, and sequins, and super cute. So I snatched up that. Then I also picked up some more eyeglass holders. Yes, I have a bunch of these. I keep them in my pocketbook at all time to hold my prescription glasses or my sunglasses, and sometimes I also put other little things in them too. Now I also picked up this animal print scarf, and I got 2 of them because I'm going to make a hair turban with it, but you can also use this as a headband. You can wrap it around your head like that. Super stylish, super cute, and I love them so much that I also picked up 2 more, which I'm about to share with you, which is these right here. I got the pineapple print and then the sailor anchor print right there, the blue, and I'm loving this pineapple. And I know there are some bags that goes along with this. I just haven't come across them yet, but once again, styling, super cute. And that's all 4 of them, and I'm so happy to have got my hands on those scarves. Yes. So I also picked up some baskets. Yes, dolls. Now I use these baskets when I'm shopping my stash at home for my makeup. And just to give you a fair idea as to what I'm talking about, I already have a few of them, and here's one right here. It's round though. As you can see, I put my makeup in there. That can be makeup for the week or for when I'm just doing a tutorial, but I love using the baskets for that. And I also picked up this tablecloth, but I like to use it as a backdrop for when I'm doing my videos. And I got this book right here. Oh my gosh, good vibes. If you know me, I'm all about positive reinforcements, and I love this book. I'm gonna keep it in my purse just to help get me going throughout the day. And I found some more of the organizers. Yes, the organizers. I keep my lipsticks on my vanity in these, or you can put your nail polishes, but I was so happy to have gotten my hand on these, and I'm showing you these 3, but your girl, I took the whole row that was there unapologetically. Oh yes, I did. So I also got some more bobos. I call these bobos, you make a little ponytail in your hair with them. You can use it for your wigs or your natural hair. I remember back in the day, my mama used to do my hair, and pop! Oh, the headaches. Yes, she used to pop my forehead with these. Still super funny. Quick throwback, but I got those. So I got some more makeup bags. Oh, I'm so happy. You get 2 of these, 2 a pack. So that's like 50 cents a piece. Gorgeous prints, gorgeous print. So I got this print right here. And I also picked up this print, which is a gorgeous mint green and navy blue. Super cute. And my best print of all is this print right here. I'm loving the vibrant pink that was in that print right there. Super cute. And to say they only $1 for 2, I mean, hey, happy about that. So the last thing I have to share with you is these Doggy nail clippers. I picked this up for my little poodle Portia, and I hope she lets me cut her nails with them. And right here I was looking for her because I was going to pick her up, because I know Miss Eloise always like to say hi to her, but I think she's over in the other room sleeping, so I'm gonna let her be. But yeah, these are the dog nail clippers, so I'm gonna use that and hope that she let me cut her nails. And that concludes the video. Yeah, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And like I said, I had a terrible headache, but it wasn't gonna stop me from making this video for you dolls. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe, and don't forget, we still gotta stay sociably connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds like what you see right there. And I'll see you all in another video again shortly without my toothache. Later, dolls.